How to fix TikTok account locked. If any day your TikTok account is locked, then it may be very frustrating for you. Therefore, in order to solve the problem, follow the following steps. First of all, tap on TikTok for a while. After that, TikTok application will be launched on your mobile device. Now, after your TikTok application is launched, you have to go to the profile section on the down right. Now, after you go to the profile section on the down right, now you have to tap on the three lines on the top right. After that, you have to go to the option of settings and privacy. Now you have to scroll down until you find the option of report a problem. Now tap on the option of report a problem. After that, you will see an interface like this. And when you see an interface like this, you have to scroll down until you find the option of account and profile. Now you have to tap on the option of account and profile. After you tap on the option of account and profile, now you have to go to the option of login. After you go to the option of login, now you have to go to the option of recover my account. After you go to the option of recover your account, you'll see a screen like this. Now you have to check whether there is any option of report a problem or not. If not, you have to go back. And after going back, you have to scroll down until you find the option of submit a report. Now in the option of submit a report, you have to type a report there. You have to mention that I have followed all the community guidelines, but still my TikTok account has been locked. Please help me. And after typing this, you also need to provide the evidences for that by attaching the screenshots of it. And you have to go to the option of submit. And after TikTok receives your message, your account will be unlocked within 24 hours.
Thank you for watching the video, and if you like our video, do not forget to subscribe our channel.